meron pa ring reserve. That's why, I know na naaabala ang tao because bakit natin binawasan? Dahil ang katotohanan dyan ay kung tignan ninyo, kaya binawi ng Department of Finance yung ilang reserve na naman doon na naiwan dahil hindi nagamit yun ng ilang taon. In other words, the PhilHealth has sufficient budget to do all of the things that they want to do. So let's go back the last 2 years. Kung titignan ninyo, ang services na binibigay, ang mga treatment na binabayaran ngayon ng PhilHealth ay nag-expand na ng gusto. We are taking care of many more conditions, many more. We have more dialysis treatments. We are attending to more people. That's from the budget of 2023 and 2024.